Hello there. My pals and I thought it would be a funny idea to input our most ridiculous brain-rotted prompts into a robot to see what sort of messy sound effects it can spit directly into our ear canals. And,
You came on the wrong man!
Oh my god! Bro got eviscerated. It was interesting, to say the least. I hope you enjoy. Just give me a sound effect and I'll try to imitate it.
Yeah.
Belching and coughing. Sounds like a drunk frog.
Is that me?
That came out the wrong end.
Oh my god, no I don't.
Well, I can hear every pixel.
10 stupid guys belching and coughing. Oh.
No.
What was the squelch?
The downfall from making AI music to fucking making AI burp.
We went from making absolute classics to just listening to a guy shit himself. Alright, give me a funny prompt.
Jet engine.
Jet engine. Here you go. So that's the last thing I was expecting.
What do you think of jet engines sound like?
I thought it would be more like far away. I thought it would sound more like a blowtorch or something. This is what I was expecting, and then we got a bunch of people burping, followed by a jet crashing into them. Someone played a cymbal in the distance.
What?
An explosion takes them by surprise. Why was he in a cave?
Do you like a dog barking and then it explodes?
What the hell was that? He like sneezed and got attacked by a tiger. That was a gunshot. Those are some angry neighbors.
He got fucking executed.
That entire sound sounded like it was from like a noir film. The footage just completely cuts off and then the explosion happens. It's like the TV shuts off and then the TV blows up. All right, Nick, give me a prompt. All right. 500 men screaming, Why is he in pain?
Why does he sound like he has like, okay, my audio might be messed up, but that sounds like it's got like the Gru accent.
You're right, actually. It does. It sounds like Gru drowning. I don't think I can play that on YouTube, actually. Sounds like Daniel.
On the toilet.
Daniel trying to like decipher one of the 100 memes I sent him on Instagram. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go to like a random Reddit post. I'll copy the entire site. What? It just came out with like a kid's TV like anthem. So we're gonna say 100 ogres yelling at each other saying, what's the funniest word you can think of? We'll say upchuck and bubby.
Upshuddy! Buddy. Up, yuck, all day!
Good job, buddy.
Okay, fuck on job. No, man. Okay. Bobby! Happy!
He's just happy to be here. What is he saying? Milkshake?
Aki, Bobby. Number.
We'll say 500 angry men shouting the words. Yes! Redemption! What did he just say? F it raw?
Bruh.
Wipe off down your plumbus. I am Bubby.
What? You are Plumbus, and I am Bubby. It's just three idiots trying to figure out who they are. It's like they both just got brain damage from like being crashed by that jet engine earlier. You are Plumbus, I am Bobby. You even hear a guy say "yeah"?
I am.
A marching band playing their instruments before falling down some stairs.
And yelling fucking Bobby.
Oh, they sound so good, dude. They sound amazing. Oh, and they finished too. That was a round of applause. Nothing bad happened to them.
Another good ending.
Oh, they just got shot. Wait, the bass just cut out. A few members got shot. They kept playing. The drummer got shot. Yes. Yeah. Oh. The applause. Oh my god, what is wrong with these drums? Oh. There's your abrupt stop.
Okay.
Metal pipe sound effects. Is this someone sawing a metal pipe? What? What about canoodle and gubbins? It's a British word for fish pairings, scraps, or gadgets. Did you hear one of the women in the background say gubbins? Someone pushes through the crowd. Gob! Oh my god. Was that a family argument? I hear like, shut up! Go away! And then just a bunch of angry chickens. Where are the bees?
Where are the bees?
ChatGPT. Hello, friend. What is a funny prompt? A dramatic hamster gasp followed by a confused duck trying to do beatboxing in a library while someone drops a bag of marbles and whispers oops in slow motion. Did he get shot? The hamster was like gasping at a crime scene. A man playing the piano before screaming, "Oh no!" And then a boulder falls on him.
Oh
That actually worked. I just missed the piano part.
Yeah, it came so soon, dude. They didn't realize the boulder was that close to them. Falls down some stairs very aggressively.
Oh no! Oh no!
He started with a punch in the air at the end.
Oh no! Oh no! No!
The fact that he was so sincere about it. Oh no,
That was so dramatic. Diddy, please.
Oh no, the baby oil.
So, Diddy, please!
Diddy, please, no. Oh no, the baby oil.
He's drowning in it.
He's literally choking in it.
He's breathing for air. Imagine that being your last sentence.
Before perishing.
No, the baby oil.
You came to the wrong man.
You came on the wrong man.
You came on the wrong man!
It sounds like a threat.
You came on the wrong man!
Oh my god. Bro got eviscerated. Oh God!
No, skip.
Play that one.
It's like
I
skip.
can't play that one.
Now that's dangerous territory.
I guess that's a good time to end. Bye.
Even when the darkness